Okay, so this is still the cinematic mode, and I think I am starting to. This is just so beautiful. How can you not be impressed by the color? And oh wow, I am always so impressed by it. And I have so much fun with it. So I didn't bring my gimbal, so just walk. And autumn color is full of this nuance, little color. Some bright, some dark. And today there was, or last night, there was some rain, and it was not enough, but still it moists a little bit. It feels so good. Oh. We all know there is a problem in this world. We all know that we messed up our planet, our earth, our surrounding. But never ever forget that there is beauty. Do not lock ourselves in the sadness, in the things we cannot change. Today, at this moment, we can enjoy this beautiful sunset. So today and now, we can enjoy this beautiful sunset. Then we enjoy this sunset because it can be gone at the blink of eyes. There are too many things, too much for us to care about, too much, more than we can care about. Care about the sun. Care about this moment. Take a picture. And that is the best respect we can give to this piece of nature. It's just amazing. Oh, isn't it amazing? Isn't it? Wow. 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 And I remember some friends asked me what this place is. This video has not yet posted, so nobody has asked, but I kind of think that some people may ask. So this is San Francisco Bayland, along San Francisco Bay Area, along the water, there are natural land, not too much developed, and it was kept in this natural stage all along San Francisco Bay Area. From you can see this kind of land in Sunnyvale, Santa Clara, Milpitas, Mountain View, Palo Alto, Redwood City, San Carlos, Redwood Shore, all these places. So this is I am totally stunned. I am totally stunned by the beauty of this place. It is a 5 minutes drive from my workplace. It is 10 minutes drive from my home. I can come here by bike. I can come here walking. It's a gift. It's a gift. If we open up our mind and have the curiosity of looking for new places, looking for new things, we can find a whole new world of beauty. It is just in front of our eyes. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye. This is unbelievable how beautiful the background is. It's a piece of natural land. There is nothing significant, but nature itself is significant. Bye-bye, friends.